If you've clicked on this video, you are probably needing some advice about pronouncing the English phonogram TH. It's a tricky one, and lots of learners have some trouble when they are first learning to say this sound. But with time and practice and patience, you'll be able to pronounce this naturally and fluently, so don't worry. In this lesson, we'll practice the two sounds of TH, and then I'll show you 15 words that you can say aloud to practice these sounds. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hi, I'm Moni, and I'm here to help you with your English language study. I'm Australian, so you'll be hearing my Aussie accent. Today, we're practicing TH. This phonogram makes two sounds, th and v. The first one, th, is unvoiced, which means you won't feel it here. Th. There's no vibration. You put your tongue between your teeth just slightly and you blow a puff of air. Th. You can practice it in the word thanks and thank you. The second sound is voiced, so same as before, you put your tongue just between your teeth and make a sound as you blow. V. And you'll feel it vibrate here if you're doing it correctly. You can practice it in the word this and that. Okay, let's practice the unvoiced TH. Remember, that's the one that is just a puff of air. I'll say the words, then you can repeat them. Here we go. 3, thirsty, thunder. 3, thirsty, thunder. Now your turn. Okay, birthday, author, marathon. Birthday, author, marathon. Your turn. Last three, earth, mouth, health. Now that's a tricky one. Earth, mouth, health. Now you try. Just be careful with the pronunciation of this one. When you are saying this sound, try not to say s, sanks, instead of thanks. You'll also want to avoid saying like thanks. You want your mouth to be in this position, not. Let's now practice the voiced TH. This, that, those. This, that, those. Now you repeat them. Weather, mother, breathe, with. Now you. Is there a rule as to when to use th or v? No, not really. But there is a pattern. If the TH is followed by the letter E, then it is likely to be the voiced sound v, like weather, breathe, brother, them, these. Before we end this lesson, you can practice these sentences. I think I have a meeting on Thursday at 3:30. I think I have a meeting on Thursday at 3:30. If we work together, we can get this done. If we work together, we can get this done. If you liked this lesson and want to learn more about English, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.